Welcome to the AlJazari channel, where you will learn capacity planning as a core operations management activity. In the last video, capacity alternative evaluation using the break-even analysis method is explained. If you wish to watch that video, click the above link. Here some problems related to this issue will be solved. Problem 1. A producer of pottery is considering the addition of a new plant to absorb the backlog of demand that now exists. The primary location being considered will have fixed costs of $9,200 per month and variable costs of 70 cents per unit produced. Each item is sold to retailers at a price that averages 90 cents. Solve the following questions. A. What volume per month is required in order to break even? B. What profit would be realized on a monthly volume of 61,000 units? C. What volume is needed to obtain a profit of $16,000 per month? D. What volume is needed to provide a revenue of $23,000 per month? E. Plot the total cost and total revenue lines. The givens are the fixed cost, FC, equals $9,200, the unit variable cost, V, equals 70 cents per unit, and the revenue per unit, R, equals 90 cents per unit. The first question is to find the monthly production volume at the break-even point, which can be found by this equation. Substitute by the given values. QBEP equals 9,200 divided by 0.7 minus 0.7 equals 46,000. So, the monthly production volume at the break-even point equals 46,000 units. The second question is to calculate the profit if the monthly production volume is 61,000 units. Substitute in this formula by the given values. P equals 61,000 multiplied by 0.9 minus 0.7 all minus 9,200 equals 3,000. So, the profit corresponding to a monthly production volume of 61,000 units is $3,000. The third question is to find the needed volume to obtain a $16,000 profit. This can be calculated by substituting the given values in this formula. Q equals 16,000 plus 9,200 divided by 0.9 minus 0.7 equals 126,000 units. So, to obtain a profit of $16,000, 126,000 units have to be produced. The fourth question is to find the needed volume to obtain a $23,000 revenue. We know that the total revenue, TR, equals R times Q. So, 23,000 equals 0.9 times Q. Solving for Q results in Q equals 25,556 units. So, to obtain a revenue of $23,000, 25,556 units have to be produced. The last question is to graphically represent the total cost and the total revenue. To do this, construct the shown table using these two formulas. Then, using Microsoft Excel, draw these two lines representing the total cost and the total revenue. In this video, a break-even analysis problem was solved. In the next video, another problem be solved, so stay tuned and do not forget to subscribe to the channel and activate the alarm to be notified of the new videos. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, so press like and share it. See you again.